Disclaimer: be advised that I'm not a professional trader or advisor. I am sharing my trading journey for entertainment purpose only. Any opinions, news, research, analysis, price, or other information contained in this video is my own opinion and does not constitute investment advice. I will not accept liability for any loss or damage, including, without limitation to, any loss of profit, money, asset, or any valuables which may arise directly or indirectly from use of information in this video. Trading foreign exchange, cryptocurrency indexes, stock market, futures, commodity, energy, precious metal, etc. carry a high level of risk, and please trade on your own research and assessment. Please seek advice from a professional financial advisor for your trading needs. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Trading with KS. So this week, coming into Monday, okay, take a quick look at calendar. The retail sales for AUD actually didn't meet expectation, but it's still positive. Okay, but they expected 0.4. Actually, the result come out 0.1. So the previous month, okay, is 1.1. Okay, which is very good. So now, but this one, right, wouldn't change our buyers, okay, and for AUD USD, okay, the buyers are still going for the bearish buyers, okay, due to the strengthening USD. So in the evening, okay, President Lagarde, the ECB president speaks. Okay, so this one also, okay, they will might bring some volatility. Tomorrow, Tuesday, there's not too many big news. But remember, Wednesday is the, okay, could be the direction change, okay, because Wednesday we got okay. This is Tuesday evening, okay, Tuesday night, actually, okay, Wednesday morning in Asia, but in the US it's Tuesday afternoon. So this one, right, okay, the Fed power speaks testify, so this one, okay, let's see the follow up, what he will talk about, the interest rate hike, all those things, right? And remember then after that, we got the big PMI coming, okay, the Europe PMI, the Britain PMI. Okay, so this is PMI numbers, right? Is something like a advanced, okay, forecast of the future, okay, near future economic growth. Okay, so if the purchasing managers are buying more, right, all these manufacturing services PMI, all these increase, right, means the market, okay, expecting a better economy. So if this all decline, right, means expecting a slower economy. Okay, slower economy, of course, the currency, okay, will drop. Okay, if they expect a good economy, okay, the currency will go up. Okay, so all this manufacturing, all this, okay, so be careful. And also coming in Thursday, is a break day for pound, okay, because their bank rates, okay, official bank rates coming in, okay, so this will affect pound USD and all the pound crosses. And Thursday, also US GDP unemployment claims. Okay, so Wednesday and Thursday, okay, could be direction change, all these things will happen. Okay, so Monday, Tuesday, nothing too much. Okay, so we don't expect a big direction change on all the existing currency. So as on my Sunday video, right, my Sunday weekly forecast, okay, if you haven't checked the weekly forecast, take a look. So I'm bull on USD, bear on index, and bear in crypto. Okay, let's dive into the chart. Euro USD, okay, our view of Euro USD is the same, it's bearish. So we want to wait for a retracement, okay, retracement to R1 or R2, okay, a rejection over this area, okay, R1 1.1986 or R2 1.2057. So these two areas, we find a rejection over here, a pin bar, pin bar over here. So there's a possibility to short the market towards the S1 1.1876, or if the price bursts through S support 1, right, S1, okay, we wait for a retest of S1, then we will, okay, look for opportunity to sell towards S2 1.7369. Pound dollar. So pound dollar similar. Okay, we have a bearish, very bearish movement here, and the price broke the support. Okay, support trend line. Okay, any retracement. Okay, any correction towards resistance 1.3811. Okay, or resistance 2 1.3908. Okay, we look for a sell opportunity. Okay, a rejection to a sell opportunity. Or the price could continue to break S1 1.3811, retest. Okay, then we want to go for sell opportunity towards S2 1.3684. USDJPY. So USDJPY possible a trade coming. Okay, the US is still retracing, but we expect a strong USD coming. Okay, so if the price continue to drop, okay, we look for opportunity to buy at S2 support 2. A pin bar over here. Okay, so there's a possibility that we want to make a buy opportunity. Okay, also is the support of this channel. Okay, this trend line and this channel, right? These are upstream channel. Okay, uptrend channel. Okay, so 109.477. Okay, here we look for buy opportunity. AUD USD, okay, we change it to a sell. Okay, the price already broken the uptrend. Okay, sideways for a while. Okay, now it broken the support here. Okay, so we change this to bearish. So any retracement, okay, any retracement towards resistance 1 0.7585, we look for a sell opportunity. Okay, or if the price do retrace higher, okay, to R2 0.7702, we also look for a sell opportunity. We look for bearish price action, okay, at this area. So New Zealand dollar, USD similar. Okay, there's a support resistance line here. Okay, so the price broke the support, now become resistant, double top over here. Okay, now the price went down. This is a reversal pattern, right? Double top. But we don't want to trade over here, this choppy area. Okay, this is the worst place to trade. All this choppy price action, okay, is the worst place to trade. Most of the traders, right, they make the money over here, okay, but when they see the choppy price action, they didn't stop, they cannot contain themselves, okay, they continue to trade all this choppy price action. This is where they lose back all the money that they win, right? They lose. Okay, either they lose all, okay, or they lose more. So now this is what we are talking about. Okay, now a solid move already. Okay, market already show a solid move. Okay, so we want to look for a retracement to R1 resistance 1 0.7047, a rejection. Okay, possible sell opportunity, or the higher. Okay, 0.7131. Okay, rejection. We want to sell higher. Okay, we want to sell at R2 or R1. Okay. So I highlighted here, okay, I re-put my, remember, I re-put my direction, okay, direction arrow here. So these are the area that we want to, okay, look at the price action and we want to take action. Similar here, this one we want to buy, okay, I re-put the, okay, the support resistance line area, support resistance area, support 1, support 2, the price of this support area, okay, the price, and the arrow show that, okay, these are the area, action area that you want to, okay, we want to monitor. So USDCAD broke the long-term downtrend, okay, broke the long-term downtrend. Okay, the channel, right, broke. So we want to wait for a retracement, okay, to retest of S1 for a rejection, retrace of S1, a rebound, okay, a rebound at S1, okay, a pin bar or other bullish price action, okay, a bullish hirami, okay, a bullish hirami here, okay, then possible, okay, we want to go for buy opportunity here. Okay, or the price could retrace lower to S2 1.2263, a rebound. Okay, we want to go for a buy trade. Gold, okay, gold possible. Okay, if the price actually retraces to S1, okay, there is possibility that you can actually short the market, but I don't want to short the gold. Okay, it's not my one of the setup that I'm interested to do. Okay, but there's possibility to short the gold at R1. Okay, towards this long-term trend line. There is a trend line coming up here. Okay, there is a trend line coming up here. Okay, connecting from August. Okay, 2018 up to now. Okay, to this bottom here, 5th April. So there is a trend line over here. So there is a possibility. Okay, for a retracement to R1. Okay, then possible if a rejection, there is a possible to short towards this area. Okay, so this long-term downtrend is still intact. Okay, long-term the uptrend is still intact for gold. Okay, where else you see the other one, New Zealand dollar. Okay, the uptrend already broken. You see the AUD USD, right? The uptrend, okay, already broken, right? So this one, but gold is still intact. Just take note. So for this, okay, for these indexes now, we are going to the risk-off sentiment. Okay, so when US dollar is strong, okay, the market change their bias. Okay, from risk on to risk off. This look like all these index look like a risk off environment. Okay, so this one, but the thing is that, right, AUD SPI, right, SPI 200. So it is still inside this. Okay, it is still inside this range. Okay, this uptrend channel. So this one for us, right, is still a buy. Okay, it's still strong. And the Australia economy is still strong. Okay, so once the risk-off sentiment end, maybe around S2 or possibly S3. Okay, we want to look for buy opportunity. Okay, now price recrossing S1. So S1 is supposed to be S2 and S3. Let me label up the S3 for you. Okay, S2 to S3. Okay, we want to look for a rejection, a rebound, over here. Okay, at S2 or rebound over here at S3. Okay, we want to look for a buy opportunity. Okay, S3 is 6990, S2 is 7103. Okay, the DAX also in the channel, right? So it's still in the, okay, still inside the uptrend channel, right? The uptrend channel. So this one we're still looking for buy opportunity. Okay, the price come to S2, a rebound at 15083, or come from S1, come to S1 or come to S2, 14833, a rebound. Okay, we'll look for buy opportunity over here. Okay, so for the next, we are looking for buy opportunity. Okay, when the price come down to S1, rebound at 15083, okay, possible buy opportunity, or slightly lower, the price come to 14833, a rebound. Okay, we want to go for buy opportunity. For the Nasdaq, right, a false break. Okay, a false break. So temporarily, okay, we should be looking for a drop. Okay, a short-term drop. But Nasdaq is still strong. Okay, Nasdaq is still making higher high. If you check out, Okay, so it's still making higher high, okay, and higher low, right? Okay, so this one we are still considering this as a still uptrend, okay, still bullish. So whatever whatever pullback that you see, okay, around support 13717, okay, a rebound over here, possible buy opportunity, or a rebound over to at 13459, okay, S2 support 2, okay. So these are the support line now, okay, these are the buying opportunities. For Dow Jones, right? Dow Jones, right? Okay, Dow Jones, because it already broke out from this, okay, support resistance channel, right? This channel, right? This channel, so this one we are bearish, okay. You, the Dow Jones we are bearish, okay. Uh, Different from Nasdaq, okay. Nasdaq are still bullish. This one we are bearish, okay. So the price already broke S1, okay. So if the price come back down, but retest S1, so there's a sell opportunity, okay, at S1, or the price comes back down and to retest R1 resistance 1 34176, okay, there's a sell opportunity, okay. So there's a we are favor the bearish trade for Dow Jones. S&P, okay, S&P looks like it wanted to break this one, okay, the channel, okay. So this one for now, okay, for now, right, leave it first, okay, leave it first. We are still, okay, the direction, okay, is still, we are still in the middle of breaking, right, breaking this trend line. So we have to leave it, see what happened first, okay, whether it can break or it can't break, okay, then only we want to see what we want to do, okay. But generally, right, we are still bullish, okay, even though if it breaks, right, breaks this one, we are still bullish until, okay, until it breaks this one, support 3, okay, until the price break below, okay, this previous low, right, we are then, okay, we will change our bias to bearish, okay. So as for current, okay, S1 and S2 we are still bullish, okay, but this one is not so clear, okay, this one is not so clear. So this one be careful because it's breaking out from the trend line, okay, breaking out from this channel, breaking out from this channel. So this one we are not so clear yet of the direction. So Bitcoin currently is still okay. If as long as it didn't break out from this consolidation, right? Okay, we are still neutral or bearish. Similar to Ethereum, if we cannot break out 2873, okay, we are still bearish or neutral. Litecoin already broke below the triangle, so this is bearish. SRP also broke below the triangle, so this bearish. So bearish trend, okay, bearish bias. So continue US dollar index, okay, US dollar index continue they are bullish, okay, bullish because it is okay, it already surpassed 91.35, which is our, okay, support and resistance area. Okay, this area is important. Mark this one, okay, mark this one. As long as the price is above, okay, we are bullish USD. Okay, if the price is below this area, we are bearish USD. So there's some question, okay, from our viewers, right? There's some question from our viewers. Let's check it out. There's some comment. Okay, all these are spam, okay. Those you see a lot of reply, all these are spam, okay. Normally, our viewers only, okay, put very short, okay, very short question or short comment. This one, if right, if monetize, right? If I'm not mistaken, I'm sorry if I spell your name wrong, okay. Euro pound, okay, I don't analyze euro pound. That's why if I put it into the content, right, it will not be very accurate, okay, because this is not the pair that I monitor and not the pair that I research, okay, because when we do all this, right, when we do all this analysis, there's also fundamental involved, so we follow fundamental news, all those things, okay. Together, okay, we do research on fundamental also together on the chart, okay, to come out with our conclusion. So those we don't follow, right? We don't follow, okay, our analysis is not so accurate. That's why, okay, for those pair that I don't put here, right? It's very difficult for me to answer. Okay, the best is stay. If you're new to the market, right? If you're new to the market, the best is stay with the major pair. Okay, the more people trade, okay, the pattern are clearer. Okay, and it's easier to recognize. Those are low volume trade, right? Lower volume pair, right? Okay, it's very difficult to monitor. But Euro Pound also is quite it's a quite a popular one. Okay, but Euro Pound, okay, I don't like to trade Euro Pound because Euro Pound is quite similar. Okay, quite similar. Right, like Euro USD, okay, going down, right? Okay, you can see Euro USD going down. You see Pound USD is also going down, right? So they are trading quite their movement is quite similar. So if you are trading Euro Pound, right? Okay, means the two pair is a similar pair, you know. It's not a very different pair. So if the US is okay, if the US dollar is winning against the euro, right, is also winning against the pound. Okay, so this is a similar. If you trade Euro Pound, right, unless you're staying in Europe, of course you have more information in your hands, right, to to know what are the euro is doing, what are the pound is doing, but they are so near, so close in contact, right? So it's very difficult to tell whether which pair is stronger. Okay, which pair is stronger. Okay, so it's not a very good uh, not a very good pair to trade for me, of course. Just like New Zealand dollar and AUD, Australian dollar and New Zealand TV, right? So they are whenever Australian dollar gain against USD, okay, the New Zealand also will gain against USD, okay. So these are quite similar pair, okay. When you want to trade these two pair, right? So you don't actually can develop a bias which one is stronger, okay? Because when USD against AUD against USD, right? Okay, when it's going up, right? This one also going up. So if you want to trade these two pair together, so which pair are stronger? So you cannot actually differentiate, okay? That's why we want to clear differentiation between each pair, okay? Easy to differentiate which pair is weaker, which pair is stronger, then easier for us to trade. Okay, so there's a reason I don't trade a Euro Pound, okay, but if you are in Europe, of course you have the advantage, you are local there, okay, you have advantage, you to know that which one is stronger. But for us here, okay, it's very difficult because we're in the Asia region, so it's difficult for us to actually analyze and also, okay, it's if you're new here, right, don't keep it simple. What I want to say is keep it simple, okay, keep it simple. In forex trading, right, keep it simple, okay. Less, and the other thing, right, that the other concept, right, first is keep it simple, the second is less is more, okay. Less is more. Okay, a lot of people think I want to trade the more, okay, the more pair I trade, right, the more opportunity. No, okay, that is not how to trade the forex. Forex, right, less is more. Okay, there are people successful just trading only one pair, Euro USD moves a lot. Okay, you have to be very familiar with the pair. Okay, you know everything, every economy changes, every news coming up, okay, and every price action, okay, that is associated with this pair, okay. So from there, right, you will have it's like this pair, right, every movement of this pair, right, is become your children, you know. Okay, like your children, like your child, okay, you understand exactly what this baby, right, is doing, okay. when when uh when the eyes, right, is blinking, okay, like a baby, when the eyes blinking, you know, okay, what is what this guy is this baby, all right, what is she trying to express, okay, she's sleepy, right, it's keep on blinking, okay, or when she yell, when she cry, okay, suddenly she cry. What type of cry? Okay, very loud cry, very soft cry. Okay, soft cry means okay, she could be hungry. Very loud cry means suddenly she could be in a pain. Okay, so this thing you once you get to know your baby, right, it's better just to trade with your baby, okay, and get very familiar with them rather than going to every pair trying to find opportunity. Okay, this is not the correct way to do. Okay, 5 to 6 pair is more than enough. Okay, like me, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pair of forex. Okay, one commodity and 1, 2, 3, 4 index, 5 indexes. Okay, this is already more than I trade. Okay, I don't trade. I don't actually these are just for reference, right? New Zealand USD I hardly trade. Okay, this is just for reference to a conference that tell me that when Australia is so strong, right? New Zealand also shows strength. So this is just a conference, but this one I rarely trade. Like USDCAD also, okay, USDCAD also I don't trade that much, okay. But this is just a conference. When all these major pair that I trade, right? Euro USD, USDJPY is my main pair, okay. Euro USD, USDJPY, AUD is the main pair that I trade. All this when I see no opportunity on all of these three pair, then only I will look at okay USDCAD, USD Gold. Okay, so in forex, right? The main one I will monitor, I will focus is these three. Okay, these three are the main one I will monitor, which I will trade all the time. So these are all secondary. Okay, so not many actually. This is three and this is three also. Okay, three AUD USD. Okay, the DEX and the New Zealand and the net and the NASDAQ. Okay, these are the three that I almost focus because all these right is just a conference for me to see that whether this NASDAQ okay is a conference whether they are strong or not. Okay, so these are okay mainly, so don't trade too much. Okay, find the pair that you are very familiar uh, uh, very familiar with. Okay, so this one maybe you are very familiar with this one. If right, you're very familiar with Euro Britain, okay, fine, okay, fantastic, okay, but we are not familiar with this Euro pound, okay, so therefore I cannot help you. But if you are interested in all the other pair, the major pair, okay, do check out, okay, and do remember, right, the courses are more difficult, okay, more difficult to trade. Okay, those pair, the less people trade, right, the more manipulation can be done. Okay, when there's a lot of manipulation, okay, you buy, okay, you see very strong price action, okay, a retracement, you try to buy, it go lower. Then you try to buy, it go lower. You try to buy, it go lower. So there's a lot of manipulation. Okay, so thank you for watching. Remember, stay safe from COVID. Bye bye.